So today I need to replace my belt, my fan belt, and my power steering belt. First I have to remove the power steering belt, and then I can remove the fan belt. To remove the power steering belt, we need to loosen the tensioner, which is that grease covered nut right there. You're going to want to use a 14mm socket, preferably on an extension.
And counterclockwise.
If you need to check how much more thread you have to go, and you're worried that you might unthread the backside, just look right back here behind, and you can see it right there. So just look back there, and then you can kind of see where you need to go. Let's see. And then right here you need to kind of shimmy it around the fan, and then kind of just pull it down. Alright, and you got the first one out. So in order to get that belt out, we're going to have to go over here to the alternator. Right, let's see. I have to go over this way. Right there. Now to make things easier, you're going to want to remove this guy right here. It's pretty easy. There's just one bolt up there. And then you just kind of pop this guy off. This guy's just kind of tucked under there. And then that up and over. Let's pull that. And then you just flop that over right like that. Then you got all this room to work. Alright, using 12mm, we're gonna get it on there. Let's loosen it up. Just enough so that it moves barely, then we can slide it back. Alright. And then, should be able to pop that right off. Just take it out. You could take off this fan cover, but you don't really need to. For my first belt, I'm using number 7345. For my second one, I'm using 9440.